Hi friends, today in this lesson we are dealing with the potential energy of a charge or system of charges in an external electric field. So first of all, imagine a charge Q is placed at infinity. So this is at infinity. Now you are going to bring this charge to a position or to a point. Say the point as P. What is the peculiarity of this position P? This is placed in an external electric field. That means there already exists an external electric field. That means if you want to bring this charge Q from infinity, we should do a work. Why we should do a work here? Because there is already a potential is present, or there is already an electric field is present. This position is now in an external electric field. So say this is the point we are taken as origin. Maybe somewhere there the source of this electric field will be there. So we are taking a common origin here. The position O to P, we can take it as a position vector or we can write it as R vector. So first case, what is the potential at the position P? We can say that the potential at the position P is equal to V of R. You can note it as V at the position R, at the position P. So this is the potential at the position P. Now you are bringing the charge Q from infinity to the position P. So as you already know, potential V is equal to W divided by Q. So how much work has to be done here? W is equal to VQ. W is equal to VQ. Here instead of VQ, the potential we can write it as potential at position R. Potential at position R. So you can write this formula as W is equal to V of R into Q. That means if you want to bring a charge Q from infinity to the position or to the point P where the external field is present, we should do a work, and this work is stored as potential energy. So you can write this equation as U of R vector is equal to V of R vector into Q. So this is the potential energy stored while you are bringing a charge from infinity to a point where the external electric field is present. Now we will discuss about the potential energy of system of 2-point charges. Imagine two charges Q1 and Q2 which are placed at infinity. You want to bring these two charges to the positions, say it as P1 and another position P2. First case, you are bringing this charge Q1 from infinity to the point P1. So point P1 and P2 are placed, or we are consider there is an external electric field is present. So you take this as a common origin. O to P1, say it as R1 vector, and you can see here O to P2, take it as R2 vector, and P1 to P2, P1 to P2, you can write taken it as R12, R12. Now you bringing Q1 from infinity to the point P1. At P1, what is the potential? V of R1 vector. Already a potential is present, right? And what is the potential at P2? We can note it down, V of R2 vector. Now you are bringing Q1 from infinity to the point P1. How much work has to be done? W1 is equal to, you are bringing the charge what? Q1. The basic formula you already know, V is equal to W divided by Q. So W is equal to VQ. So what is W1 is equal to Q1 into potential. What is the potential at the point P1 now? That you can write it as V of R1 vector. So we got the first work here. Imagine the Q2 you are bringing to the position P2. The work has to be done against the two electric field. One is already present external electric field and other one is the electric field due to the charge Q1 at the position P1. So I can write this as W2, which is equal to, what is the work done here? First case, the work has to be done due to this potential V of R2. So you are bringing the Q2 here. So write the Q2 into V of R2. V of R2. Now again some more work has to be done due to the presence of Q1. So once again I can write here Q2 into potential due to this Q1 charge. What is the potential due to Q1 charge? Potential due to Q1 charge is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 divided by R12. Q1 divided by R12. So what is net work done to bring the Q2? That is equal to Q2 into V of R2 vector plus, now Q2 into, what is V potential due to the charge Q1, right? That is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 divided by R12. Hence, how much work is done now here in order to keep this configuration at this place now here? So the net work done W is equal to, add the two work done we have done, W1 plus W2. So W is equal to Q1 into V of R1 vector plus Q2 into V of R2 vector plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R12. This net work done is stored as potential energy. So you can write this equation as the potential energy is equal to Q of V, U potential energy U is equal to Q1 into V of R1 vector plus Q2 into V of R2 vector plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R12. So this is the net work done is stored as the potential energy. So that means to maintain this configuration or assemble this configuration, we should do a work, and that work is stored as potential energy, and this is the relation for that potential energy. Hope you understand this one.